First, this morning, we continue to follow the aftermath of Blizzard 2016. Freezing temperatures are slowing the removal of record snowfall from the mid-Atlantic to the Northeast. Records were broken for several states along the East Coast. NBC News correspondent Edward Lawrence has the latest.
Now the story turns to storm cleanup. Cities dig out while dealing with below freezing temperatures.
The roads, they're okay. Like the main roads are great. They're open, they're flowing, and there's a lot of spots that I haven't touched yet, and there's a lot of mess out there.
At least 30 deaths are blamed on the storm. Many of them came from traffic accidents, others from heart attacks related to shoveling the snow after it fell. Several roofs also collapsed from the storm.
Getting back to business as usual is going to take a considerable amount of time.
Some neighborhoods still buried because plows can't get there yet. Chris Gephardt can't even see out of his window.
Our second floor window completely covered in snow.
Rescue crews still responding to emergencies on streets with 2 feet of snow. They lose minutes when every second counts. The mayor of Baltimore could not give a timeline for clearing the streets.
Given the condition of many of our streets, I believe it is safest for all citizens to minimize traffic on our roads.
On the eastern shore of New Jersey, it's flooding, not snow causing problems. But in D.C., residents are making the best of a cold, uncomfortable situation. Edward Lawrence, NBC News, Washington.
Coming up on 4 minutes after the hour, today is the first time the snowstorm has dropped more than 19 inches on Washington and New York City. At the same time, it could take days to return to normal.